Hello everyone, this is Mark from the shading company out here in Austin, Texas, where we completed the installation of 5 universal screens, motion screens. Customer called us because they were looking for a bug-free environment. They were looking for some privacy. They were looking for solar protection as well. They have these sliders back there. They want to be able to open them up and cool the area as well for winterization, and also here in the hot summer time in Austin we offer them these 5 units with the Suntex 95 solar fabric from Pfeiffer and motorization from Somfy. Over here they have a outdoor kitchen. We have a smaller unit there with a custom built 2x2 to fit our rails in the center, and I'm going to show you how these units work. I have the typical 16 channel remote from Somfy. I'm going to start with unit 1, which is the small unit over the bar. You can see it coming down. I'm going to go ahead and move to channel 2, which is the unit next to it. You can see it coming out to the lower limit. I'm going to let these come down so you can see where they're stopping. First unit will stop right over the bar area. Second unit will go all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to start bringing unit 3 down, unit 4 down, the units at the front side, and then unit 5, which is the larger unit here towards my left. Very smooth operation, from good installation from our installation team. As you can see, unit 3 and 4 are getting to the lower limit, and unit 5 just reached its lower limit as well. Here channel 6, they'll be able to bring them all up at the same time. Here you see unit 5 coming up, unit 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can stop these units at the same time. We also have grouped them in multiple channels. There's 16 channels on this remote. They were able to group them in different sections as well. Very happy customer for the shading company. Now they'll be able to control all those challenges they were having: bug control, solar protection, privacy, and wind reduction for winterization purposes and environmental temperature control purposes in their patio with a single click of a button. And you're in the market for any exterior shading solutions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, this is Mark from the shading company.